What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a really cool unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly what's in here because I've been waiting for this. I'm sure there's actually a bunch of you who are receiving these right now, and I can't wait to share this with you guys. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. Link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So I'm sure a lot of you guys know who the gents behind Knife Nuts podcast are, and if you don't, you need to. Oh, cool. You need to go definitely subscribe to Knife Nuts Podcast on YouTube. You also need to follow them on Instagram. You also probably know who BRS is, right? They collaborated to make a watch. Oh, yeah, that's awesome. Oh, my gosh. So listen to this. Hold on. Let me get this off here. This was a pre-order a while back. We've been waiting on these. And these are 200-meter diver's watches, sapphire, crystal, and ceramic bezel. I forget the size, if it's 42 or 44. Oh, it feels nice and big. But here's the thing: they came. There were two different versions of it. You know what I'm gonna do? Let's do some movie magic here and get this wrapping paper off of it. All right, so I got it all off of there. Are you kidding me? I got a chance to look this over while I was getting all the plastic off of there. So we have, I think so the one on my wrist is, I think, 43.7 or 44. This looks to be a bit bigger. I don't know for sure yet. I'm going to say 44. Ceramic bezel, sapphire, crystal here. We also have a signed crown, which is pretty cool. We have screw-in links, milled clasp. These parts here are stamped, but yeah. The action. Oh, this is really nice. Really nice. So here's the thing. This was BRS. If I'm not mistaken, I could be mistaken. I think this is a Seiko movement. I don't know what movement. We'll maybe, I'll make sure and link it in specs or find a way to link this or the pre-orders or something so you guys can, check that out. But I'm sure you're like, yeah, that's really nice. It was probably really expensive. Get ready. Seriously, get ready. Even you savvy watch folks, right? The pre-order for this particular watch, cost me less than $200. That was not a hookup. These came in black and purple for, the K&P purple, right? Yeah, I think I paid $190 for this watch. Everything is just great. This is gorgeous. BRS apparently can make watches, and they do a really good job of it. With I think this was largely the input of, Levon is a watch guy. And so are, many of I think perhaps at least one other of the K&P guys, but Levon is definitely a watch guy. And so he, I guess, made these suggestions like, this is what people are going to want with this or this or this. Not only does it, and this is called the Xenomorph, by the way. I haven't said that yet. I'm so sorry. I think it's like X1. There's some numbers involved, but the actual model is the Xenomorph. Levon's input here and BRS's apparent capability to make a watch is shining through with the golden light of awesomeness. And now I'm a new watch guy. I'm not like a savvy. I'm not like I know everything about watches. No, not at all. But in my limited experience, this blows everything, like dollar for dollar. This blows everything out of the water. This is so cool. God, what a handsome watch. This is so nice. Man, that is gorgeous. I love how they signed that. You guys remember BRS did the Evolve Aeon Integral, which was one of the best, in fact, to this day, is the best price integral knife that I have ever shown on this channel. So it's no surprise that they're, doing stuff like this and still slapping a great price tag on it. I mean, if you're not a watch guy, seriously, I think I paid $190 for this, maybe $195. That is incredible. That is incredible. I'm so happy with this. Man, it's going to be... I literally just bought... This is the older one, but I just bought the Marine Master 200 for way, way more than this, right? This guy... there's not an enormous deal. I mean, like, there's a couple of little things, sure, on the Marine Master 200. But I'm immediately going to take this. I'm going to size this and immediately put this on my wrist and wear it because this is awesome. This is not a review, right? Can't give you. I'm not a watch reviewer, right? I just like to share this kind of stuff. This is I don't think this is available anymore, but I've been saying this forever. The Knife Nuts podcast is who does like the KNP edition of the editions of the cool, like, they do a bunch of different stuff, but like mainly with Brian Nadeau's production knives, right? The Evo Typhoon and the Mini Tempest and blah, blah, blah. They've done a ton of them. They always do really cool exclusives, and they're always for a really good price. That's why I've got them linked in my description. That's why I tell you guys, go subscribe, go listen, be paying attention, follow them on Instagram, right? Some of the coolest exclusives in the knife world. They do stuff like this, right? Follow them. Really cool. I hope they do more of these. Like, seriously, if they can do this for $200, what can they do for $500? That's what I'm wondering right now, right? This is really, really cool. And, you know, obviously I'll have a chance to play with it. Oh, loom. Let's do that. Here we go. Oh, yeah, there we go. Some nice green loom. I think the purple one... Should we turn the lights off? Let's do that. Dim them at least. Yeah, there we go. That looks nice. Very cool. So the purple one has blue. So the folks that got the purple one, seriously, I have a feeling like everybody who picked this up is just on top of the world right now. This is so cool. Man, what an awesome, the Xenomorph. Real dramatic name, but I like it, right? What a good-looking watch. All right, this was a long unboxing and first impressions. I don't know. At some point, I'll do a watch video. I doubt I'll start doing reviews on individual watches, right? But this is really cool. Hoping knife and watch guys alike, or whether, you know, maybe you're neither. Maybe you're just, like, for some reason hanging out, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this. This was fun. Very exciting to unbox. Levon, Knife Nuts podcast crew, and BRS. Holy crap, excellent work. That is freaking amazing. I am seriously so excited about that. Man, what a kick butt watch. Got to keep it PG, sorry. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex if you enjoyed this video. Leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do not like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go in and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.